So it's not pi r squared. What's that? Cornbread r squared, pi r round. Okay, got it. 2 points I'd like to make. First, deserts are not always like this. Which brings me to my second point. Sure, you can take pictures of your dog in snow like 1,000 other people with cameras. Here's my photographic tip of the day. Bad weather can mean good opportunity. So whether you have a cell phone or a dedicated camera, I'll encourage you to get off the sofa, move away from the bench, and step away from the car. And let me know in the comments below if you thought I got close to at least one image that looks unique. So long for now.